Found this on the road yesterday with a free sign on it. Needs a little bit of TLC, but the lights work. 4 for 8.
Let's hop to it.
Good morning, everybody. We're in the Cat 305 this morning. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know a little bit of a secret of mine. There, now you guys know. So I'm just getting this garage all graded out. A little bit of concrete prep, backfill day. Getting everything looking vertical. That's not vertical. Again, so we're gonna track pack it in back and forth, you know what I mean? Everybody be happy. Less work on everybody's shoulders, and you know, I got the time to do it, so might as well just do it. There it is, all done up, got it closed. Got the front a little bit of the front patio done as well. The patio actually extends all the way out and a foot past the edge of the foundation there. Knock the microphone off, that's, so, where was I? Oh yeah, now it's a hurry up and wait game for inspections. I'm gonna see if Tyler wants any help with anything. Till then. All right, so all of our inspections passed, awesome. I just had to handle a couple little fix-it things down over there. So I just kind of found something to do, you know? So now we got to get this off test. Cut that, stick it down yonder. Already did all the concrete prep, other than the front, the majority of that front patio. But this is golden. Like completely filling that hole with gravel. I mean, yes, we need dirt up front. See why I duct tape the top? Plus the price of pipe and fittings right now are ridiculous. Concrete guys might have to order some. Around there, move all that dirt, flip-flop it back this way, and then fill in here. Then make my way back around to the back patio, get that done. Work my way around the house to there. Well, I haven't gotten power inspections yet, so that trench will stay open until I get inspections, which could be a day or two. So it is what it is. All right, back from lunch. So right before lunch, a concrete boss came up and wanted to know if it was gonna be ready. Everything was ready. So anyway, I had to get the back patio done real quick so these guys can get on what they're doing. You know what I mean? But anyway, it's gonna make me a little path so I can start transferring dirt all the way to the side of this house. Oh, now it's squeaking. All right, no more squeaky. Concrete guys are right next to me, so I gotta it's hot. Sweating like a pig in a hot dog factory. Probably like 82 degrees, 85 degrees. So, they got a couple of helpers now, new helpers, and they were just sitting down. So this back patio, I didn't really get down the grade. I just kind of threw the rock in there. And so, like, the helpers, I asked the guy, "Do you want me to grade that out a little better?" He said, "No, the helpers can dig it, the laborers can dig it." I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Unless you want to grade it out for us." I was like, "Well, no, I saw them sitting around, so, you know, put them to work." All right, due to some technical difficulty, I didn't get any footage of me backfilling any of this or transferring dirt. My camera didn't want to seem to work. It's been happening a lot lately, I don't know why. Got to check into that. So here we are. We're sitting on a ton of dirt here. Bigger machine to grade all this out, because that is a lot of dirt. A 305. Maybe if I'm lucky, I get the new 308 out here, but I doubt that. So now the inspector for power just showed up, so he's gonna come no, he's not gonna come. I can't even talk. I'm tired. He came, gave us thumbs up. So now I just gotta fill in this trench. Then I might take everything and just blade it out that way. And then all that dirt back there is gonna stay there until I can talk to proper authorities about getting it moved or getting it graded efficiently. All right, I'm just gonna push this with my blade. Break a little dirt down there first. Not wood. I don't like to bury trash. That thumb's always gonna squeak. The bushings went out in it, and that's probably why it doesn't want to work right. So that's gonna complete our backfill. I'm having some serious camera issues today. I don't know what's going on. Some of my stuff might seem a little repetitive. Maybe that's just what I do. If I was my own boss, I could pick and choose what jobs I do and have probably way better content, but I can't. So we just get this. Prettied this up a hair, not a whole ton. Might need to do some shovel work down there, but there's the backyard. You saw that. They're already set up. This is the side you guys missed. I just basically bladed this whole thing out. Pushed everything this way. I might have to hold this grade a little higher because of that grade right here. It's gonna be a big one. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.